안녕하세요. 한국어, 영어, 명언 채널입니다. 오늘도 힘차게 영어 공부 시작하겠습니다.
I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry.
제가 좀 급해요.
I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry.
Not good, not good, not good, not good.
좋지 않아요.
Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good.
But did you hear that? But did you hear that?
그 소식 들었습니까?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
만지지 마세요.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You made it. You made it.
너가 해냈구나.
You made it. You made it. You made it. You made it.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
나쁘지 않는데요.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Why are you doing? Why are you doing?
왜 그러세요?
Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it?
Since when? Since when?
언제부터요?
Since when? Since when? Since when? Since when?
Nothing is special. Nothing is special.
특별한 거 없어요.
Nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
어디서 일하시나요?
Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work?
Never gives up. Never gives up.
절대 포기하지 마세요.
Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up.
Heads up. Heads up.
조심해.
Heads up. Heads up. Heads up. Heads up.
Time's up. Time's up.
시간 다 됐어요.
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up.
Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up.
나한테 미리 알려줘.
Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up.
It's unfair. It's unfair.
불공평해요.
It's unfair. It's unfair. It's unfair. It's unfair.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it.
당신은 할 수 있어요.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Thanks for heads up. Thanks for heads up.
미리 알려줘서 고마워.
Thanks for the heads up. Thanks for the heads up. Thanks for the heads up. Thanks for the heads up.
Do your best. Do your best.
최선을 다하세요.
Do your best. Do your best. Do your best. Do your best.
What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day.
정말 멋진 날이네요.
What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day.
Are you in? Are you in?
낄 건가요?
Are you in? Are you in? Are you in? Are you in?
I'm glad. I'm glad.
잘 됐네. 다행이다.
I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad.
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
고통이 없으면 얻는 것도 없어요.
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
Wake up! Wake up!
정신 차려요. 일어나요.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
I'm lost. I'm lost.
전혀 모르겠어.
I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost.
How many times do I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you?
몇 번이나 말해야 해요?
How many times do I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you?
I'm beat. I'm beat.
나 엄청 피곤해.
I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat.
My head is spinning. My head is spinning.
머리가 어지러워요.
My head is spinning. My head is spinning. My head is spinning. My head is spinning.
Why are you all dressed up? Why are you all dressed up?
왜 그렇게 차려 입었어요?
Why are you dressed up? Why are you dressed up? Why are you dressed up? Why are you dressed up?
I feel a little better. I feel a little better.
조금 기분이 나아졌어요.
I feel a little better. I feel a little better. I feel a little better. I feel a little better.
I'm sorry. I'm swamped. I'm sorry. I'm swamped.
나 엄청 바빠.
I'm swamped. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. I'm swamped.
실력을 키워 성공을 만들어 갈 우리 구독자님들을 진심으로 응원합니다. 영상 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다.